Good morning, everyone. So I'm filming this intro a couple days after I filmed the video just because I did not have time to film an intro that day. But I hope you guys enjoy this kind of big waves like hair curl tutorial. I really use this like almost every day, I would say, or at least a few times a week, especially when I have my internship, which is almost every day. I just really like these curls because you can brush them out and they stay all day, and they're just very, they're pretty loose and they just look really nice and professional. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I don't know, send me pictures of your curls, I don't know. Okay guys, so I'm using the Conair 1.5-inch barrel curler. And basically what I do is just take my curling iron and I always curl away from my face. And rather than starting at the ends of my hair, I start at the root and again, go away from the face. I used to kind of start at the ends, but I just don't like the way that the curl looks. And my hairstylist kind of taught me how to do this, I don't know, probably like 6 years ago. And this is just how I do it. So I love doing that. And then I will brush out my curls, and then I end up with these kind of soft, bouncy waves that last all day and just work really great for school and for work. So I hope you guys enjoy.